So this is how you can fix your WhatsApp chats being green or black screen and not being able to see the chats. Go on ahead and open up WhatsApp and then go to your chats and see if it's actually having that problem. From what I've read, a lot of people are actually experiencing the same problem, and there is only a few ways of fixing this. The very first one and the easiest one is by going to the App Store and then simply searching for WhatsApp, because I've also read that it's because your WhatsApp is outdated or maybe your phone is outdated. So either one of those you're going to want to update and see if the problem still pursues. If it doesn't, then great, you have fixed your problem. But if it does, we can move on to method number 2. But first, I just want to make it clear that you have to update. As you can see, it says update for me. So tap on update and it's going to start updating the app, and then after that it should work. If it didn't, you're going to want to delete it and then re-download it so that it refreshes everything, even your number. So you're going to have to sign back in, and it's going to delete any kind of bugs that may be causing this problem and basically delete any kind of viruses. So that'll fix your problem, and that's pretty much for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.